This is the latest disclosure. It has been established that the recently dead are coming back to life.
You know, you're lucky I don't throw you in there and just shut the trunk.
You're going to have an actual aneurysm, and I can't wait till you do. I'm scared of getting stuck out in the backwoods. I watch all those movies. Son of a gun, look at that.
Almost 30 years.
Heading up to Salem to look at the 1970 Super Bee that's supposed to be a factory paint car.
We haven't put any time in on the CUDA.
It's like somebody took a pop can and watered it up.
Call 911 right now so they're here in time. My name is Mark Warman, and I bring dead cars back to life.